Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to make over $100,000 per month just doing live subscriptions on the TikTok app. Simply doing live stream and encouraging people to subscribe and essentially contribute like a monthly supporting fee. Very easy guys, very simple. Let me show you how you can actually enable this and see what are the requirements and what are the potentials for you to make money. So first thing, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile icon. Then you want to click on the upper right on the three straight lines. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the first option, Creator Tools. Over here, I want you to scroll to the monetization section over here. And I want you to click on the second one, which is subscription. So essentially over here, you will see that the eligibility for you to start being able to generate a lot of money from live community is to have access to live, right? To have at least 30 minutes being live for the last 28 days and at least to have 1000 followers, which is kind of nonsense because the first requirement is to have live access. And to have live access, usually you should have 1000 followers, okay? Let's crush the numbers first. We found out how you can get eligible, very low barrier. Anyone can reach 1000 followers in a matter of time as long as they publish good content and they're consistent. So if you look at over here, there is a small scroll bar, which essentially if you use it, you will find out your estimated earnings if you have the approximate amount of hours. So underneath is the number of hours, and on top of that is the amount that you could probably earn. So let's start with the basics. With 1000 followers, you could make up to $2,100 a month, which I believe in any place around the world it's still decent amount, talking about going live and spending some time with someone, which is a lot of people calling out spending, instead of spending time with your friends in the hood, you could spend time with people online and get paid for it. But things are getting a little more interesting when you actually start getting 3,000 followers, 4,000 followers. We're going towards $10,000. The amount where you're going to actually crush the $10,000 mark a month is actually when we hit the levels of 5,000. So anyone who is at or above 5,000 followers and he's doing the live subscription and he's good in live subscription, right? You can make over or a little more above $10,000 a month, which I'm 100% sure in any city, any country around the world means a lot of money, right? This is where the good life begins, in my opinion, guys. Everything above it's quite interesting, because if you look at above 10,000, you're gonna be eligible for creativity program beta if your country is part of the list. Point number one. So you're gonna be able to make money from your videos. But if you're doing the live subscription on the side, you could earn another $20,000. So we're looking at, I don't know, on the second channel that I had around 70,000 subscribers and followers. From creativity program beta, there are days in which you can make $1,000, and there are days in which TikTok is paying you like $10 or $11. So it's very variable. But I could say that this could be actually more stable income if you get people to follow you, to get people to support you. And this is the way, in my opinion, you can make the most of your money over here. So if you guys interested, go check out the requirements, and anyone can grow 1000 followers to have the access to the live, and then anyone can go and live stream, right? There's no barrier to entry. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.